welcome to my screen. So here on my screen, you can see a connection that I've already built between my RSS by Pabbly Reader and Gmail. So basically, as you know, that my objective is whenever I'm going to capture a new response, that means a new feed in my RSS Reader by Pabbly, then automatically I want to get a notification for the same on my Gmail account via Gmail. So that's why I have built this connection between these applications, using which I have automated the entire process. So now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for yourself too by using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now here, if you're a new user and you are planning to buy Pabbly for your own business, then you can use my special discount code to get a special discount at your purchase. And here I would recommend you to buy a lifetime deal that currently Pabbly is offering at a very cost-effective price, so that you don't miss this deal and you can automate your business, that too for your lifetime. Alright, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the Access Now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So now here, to create a new connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button, and then here it is asking us to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is New Beta and the other one is Classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says automatically send RSS feed updates to Gmail. And for the folder, I'm going to select the folder from the drop down that I've already created with the name automations. You can select it as per your requirement. And here, if you wish to create a new folder, then you can click on this learn more hyperlink, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all these steps to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here, as you all know, that we are going to capture the new RSS feed. So for that, I'm going to use a RSS feed reader that is provided inside Pabbly with the name RSS by Pabbly. So this is the RSS reader, and for the app event, I'm going to select new item and feed. Alright, then we're going to click on this connect. Here you can see it is asking us to add the feed URL and the filter type. So basically here in this feed URL, it says enter the feed URL here. This RSS trigger will check for the updated RSS feed at regular interval. So here in this particular field, you need to give the RSS feed URL that you want to capture at regular intervals. For example, you can capture the new RSS feed of The Hindu, The Times of India, and many more such newsletters. Alright, so now for here, we are going to use the RSS feed URL of The Hindu. So this is The Hindu RSS feeds, and here you can see some popular RSS readers as per the categories. So here you can capture the sport category, news or entertainment, business, opinion, science, life and cycle, business or basic news. So I'm going to select the basic news over here, that too for India only. So we're going to select this particular category, and you can see this is the URL. So I'm going to copy this feed URL and I'm going to add it over here in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is our feed URL, and for the filter type, you can see three options. First is default, that is recommended. Another one is different GUID and different publish date. So I'm going to select it as default default only, and then we are going to click on the save and send as request. So as soon as we are going to click on this, we are going to capture the latest news that is available inside that feed URL. So you can see the latest news that we have received with the title as 4 arrested for black marketing tickets of India South Africa's Qatar T20I. Alright, so this is the title. Here you can see the link of the news published date, also the small description for the same. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So here let me tell you that RSS by Pabbly Reader is a pooling based application. That means it is going to capture the new responses within some time interval. Alright, so now after capturing the new news, I want to get the notification for the same on my Gmail account. So for that, what we are going to do is that we are going to add an action step over here, and here we are going to select the action application as Gmail. Then for the app event, I'm going to select send email, and then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Gmail account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly, and you can see we're now successfully connected. So here for the sender name, I'm going to add my news social name. This is my community basically, and here you can see a sender email address has been updated automatically, so we're not going to change it. And here for the recipient email address, for now I am going to add my random email address where I want to receive this new news alert, but you can add multiple email addresses as per your requirement. Alright, now let's move forward. Here this CC, BCC and reply to are not required ones, so we're going to leave all of them blank. Here for the email subject, I'm going to enter the subject as new article just dropped, check it out. Alright, so this is the email subject, and it is going to remain same for every new news alert. Alright, then it is asking for the email content. So it says enter the email content. You can create HTML content from here. Here's a complete tutorial on how to create HTML email here. So basically by creating an HTML email, you can send creative and attractive emails to your leads, customers or users. So basically here I'm going to add a HTML body email content, and here if you wish to learn about the same, then you can watch out the tutorial that is attached in the hyperlink given in the instructions. Alright, so I have successfully added the email content where I've added some HTML body, and here I've added some variables such as news, title, description and the link. So now here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that when you're going to receive a new feed to our RSS by Pabbly, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the title, we are going to map the title. Here for the description, we are going to map the description. And lastly, here we are going to add the link for the same. Alright, so with this, we have successfully completed our email content body. Alright, so let's move forward. Here for the content type, I'm going to select it as HTML from the drop down, and here these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave them blank. Now after entering all the required details, we are going to click on the save and send as request, and here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a mail on my Gmail account. So now let's go and check the mail that we have received, and here you can see the mail that we have received with the email subject as new article just dropped, check it out. And here you can see the sender name as news social, and here you can see the mail that we have received, that too very creative and attractive. You can see it says latest RSS feed update. Here you can see the title, description of the news title, and here you can see a button as well for read full article. So we're going to click on it, and it is going to direct us to the news link of that particular article. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So we have selected our trigger as RSS by Pabbly and our action as Gmail, so that whenever we're going to receive a new feed in our RSS by Pabbly, then instantly a new mail for the same will be sent to our Gmail account via Gmail. Alright, so these were the steps to how to automatically send RSS feeds updates to Gmail. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now, if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And if you're planning to purchase Pabbly for your own business, then don't forget to use my coupon code to get a special discount on your purchase, which is available in the description box below as well. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.